Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming your LED TV supports Google services, check model, or Android TV branding. Once done, connect the TV to your home Wi-Fi network and enter the SSID and password. Make sure you have your Google account email and password ready so the sign-in is smooth. You'll use the TV remote to navigate system prompts. Select Sign In or Set up Google when prompted. This first step gets the device online and ready for Google Apps and voice features. You now open the TV's App Store and search for Google apps like Chrome, YouTube, and Google Play Movies. Install or update them as needed. Once installed, launch each app and choose Sign In. Enter your Google credentials using the remote or a paired phone for faster entry. Make sure to grant permissions for location and microphone if you want voice search. If the TV supports Assistant, enable voice match so your commands are recognized and personalized for your account. You're ready to use Google. Type with the remote, use voice commands with Assistant, or cast from your phone via Cast. To optimize performance, keep the TV OS and Google Apps updated and restart the TV occasionally to clear memory. If something goes wrong, reboot the TV and router first. Make sure Wi-Fi is strong and your Google password or two-factor authentication is completed. If sign-in still fails, remove the account and add it again following on screen prompts to resolve sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.